And this will put an end to your tech overwhelm, to this crazy chaos of, duct tape tools or processes that we call business, looking for experts, to hire experts to create one thing for you or another, or to help you with this or to help you with that. This will put an end to that, okay? Crazy, all right? Like crazy, insane crazy, okay? And this is going to be one of my 100 challenges. Again, I know they're exciting. I mean, they're so exciting, okay? And it gives you, if you are one of those people who challenge themselves to do stuff, like I said, I'm from a military background, so my challenge is always like 100 times, regardless of what it is, all right? But maybe 100 is not your number. You can do 20, you can do 30, you can do 40, 50, whatever, right? So I've done books, I've done live streams, I've done videos, I've done podcasts. That's when I could not look at myself when I was recording videos. And way before that, I could not hear myself in a podcast. And it's like, what is this, right? We all, go through this. And I know. And then live stream. Oh my God, I thought I will choke to death online. And that didn't happen. Did not happen. I did radio shows, to 100 radio shows, just to get myself, out of my comfort zone and just to kind of push myself. Anyway, so now I'm doing another 100 challenge. At this time, my 100 challenge is to help 100 solopreneurs. If you are a solopreneur, like a one-person business, okay, and you have, either an offer or you've tried to have a website, don't worry about the website, but at least you have an offer. You know what you want to do, right? If that's you, then I want to help you. And this will put an end to your tech overwhelm, to this crazy chaos of, duct tape tools or processes that we call business. This will put an end to looking for other ways to, get leads, or looking for experts, to hire experts to create one thing for you or another, or to help you with this or to help you with that. This will put an end to that, okay? You just have to promise me one thing. This is only for people who believe in done is better than perfect. If you're an overthinker and you're trying to over perfect stuff, then this is not for you. I'm already telling you, please, I respect your time. I expect you to respect my time. I want to do this for 100 people ASAP. I don't know when this will end, but grab it while it's here. I will help you like as soon as possible. I did say 30 days, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So how are you going to join this? I'm going to put a link in the description. You can just join there. If something happens, just let me know. Again, you need to be a US-based business. You need to be, you need to have an offer. You need to know what you're offering. You don't need to have a perfect website, because that'll be part of, what we'll be working on. You don't have to have a funnel, because again, that'll be part of what we'll be working on. You don't need to have a process, because again, that is what we'll be working on. You don't need to have a system in place, because you guessed it, that is what we're going to be working on. So what are you waiting for?